Hi Homeworthy, I'm Brooke Graham and we are in beautiful California. I am hosting the Two Pages Together contest design finale today. Now, if you're thinking what's 2 pages, it's amazing. Ray Chen re-envisioned the whole process of beautiful custom home window treatments. And over the past 5 months, they have put out a contest to the public, and they have had over 5,000 submissions from 34 different countries apply for this. Today, we have the 6 finalists here. There's an amazing jury panel that will be looking at the fabrics, giving feedback, and we will crown our first design winner. So there's a lot to get to. Come on.
Design is everywhere, but the opportunity is not. We are a user-oriented company, so I just want to be more closer to my designer and the customer and to know what they are thinking and how about the market of the home.
My name's Sabrina Ramkhelawan, and I'm a surface designer based in New Jersey. A couple of months ago, I created a collection called Canyon Grove, submitted it to the Two Pages Design Contest, and now here I am at the finale.
What an honor to be a judge for the Two Pages contest. I love seeing artists be able to bring their designs to the table. I love to get a sneak peek into their process and how they gather inspiration and how they really envision their work coming to life in homes all around the world. I think as a judge, I can't help but look at the technicalities of their patterns. I want to think about how well they know pattern composition and how well they know how patterns will live on things like curtains and drapes.
What am I looking for in today's winning design? I'm looking for something that surprises me, maybe unique color combinations, things I haven't seen before, but also because it's 2 pages, we want to make sure that people are going to actually buy the collection. So I'm definitely looking for something that has that broad appeal.
I think today's world, in terms of great design, is a combination of looking forward but connecting to our past. There's a real movement right now about the global culture of design and the connection to heritage, history, and a sense of heirloom quality. That's what Two Pages represents, and that's what I'll be looking for today in our winner.
So the experience has been really fun. I am a complete newbie. I'm not actually a textile designer. I just decided to try something new, and it's been really cool to see my designs come to life.
The qualities I'm looking for in today's designs are uniqueness. I love a bold design, and I love a design that helps not only create that boldness and that fun feature in somebody's home, but helps tone it down and connects it to the rest of the home as well.
Being able to be on stage with so many different designers, so many different talented people in a room full of amazing people, it's just honoring.
Two Pages is such a community. Every single person that I've interacted with and collaborated with on this contest has been absolutely amazing every single step of the way, and just getting to know the other contestants has been so much fun on this journey.
It's a very successful event for me, and I saw lots of people is very happy here.